So sweet. Na, 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 na. We are on the way to Shaka. Nasabi ay 45 minutes. Which is Malini Heart Yamada. Ganda ng ano na interior.
The healthy alternative.
Parang ang ganda rin kahit sa labas kakakain. Okay, so we are in Shaka. We're gonna eat breakfast. Okay. Okay, so now, dumating na yung food ni Ate Darcy.
Pad thai? No, mushroom veg.
It's mushroom veggies.
Let's taste it.
Veggies. Then mine is processing parang. Here's my order, guys. Shucks, it looks so yummy. Minsan lang. Okay. So, here's my order. And then, here's a taste test.
Tikman nyo siya. Creating.
It's so yummy. It's so yummy, I swear. Tikman nyo, guys. Go.
Ano to, mango?
Yeah.
And then ito,
Oats.
buwak.
Go lang. It's yummy, right? Yeah. So yummy. It's worth it.
It's refreshing.
Yeah. It's worth it. Okay, we are done eating. So yummy. Tasted. So sarap, so yummy. We are now walking na lang because we are done eating in Shaka. And now it's so hot outside. Ooh, so nice. Hi, that's me. Fade into the camera. Bye-bye.